Hey guys, welcome to Code Cracked, and in this video we are going to learn about how to make a list in Figma. So you already know, if you've been following my videos, that how to make the text and how to change the case of the text or how to align the text. And we probably have four options, as you can see here. Let me just write some text, and you see there are four options. So currently here are three options, like left line, center line, and right line, and then there is a fourth option for which you have to press this dot icon, and you'll find the fourth option here, which is justified alignment. Now in this video we'll talk about how to make a list. So probably you know how to make a text, but how to make a list. So for that, let us make just a text area where you will write all of your text. Now to make a list, you probably first have to click on this three dot icon and then go to this list style. So currently, that simple hyphen means that no list. Okay. Now we have two more options here. One is bulleted list and one is a number list. So when you click on the bulleted list, you see a bullet appears. So now you start writing your first point. So this is your first point, and when you press enter, the automatically it shows you an bulleted point. So you can write the second point here, and similarly, when you press enter again, you can write third point here and fourth point here. Similarly, you can go on with as many points as you like. And after that, if you want to write some other text, that too also in this area. So you press and you see the bullet point is coming. You just press the enter once more, and the bullet point will disappear. And then you can just give space, and you can write your normal text without without list, or probably without bullet list. So why is every first letter of every word is a big capital? Because we currently have title case selected, so we will probably have to do it to none, and then we will just have to do it to probably none again, and then that will fix it. So that's how you make a bulleted list. Now, how do you make a numbered list? It's a very similar process. You just have to choose that number list option this time. So let's choose this. Now you see, instead of the bullet, it shows number. So number one. So let's write this first point and then press enter. It automatically changes to two. You don't have to do it. So it's an automatic process. That's pretty good by Figma actually. So now you write second point, and the manner third point, and the similar manner. This is the fourth point. And similar manner, if you press enter but want to start with a normal text, just press enter once more and give some space, and just write normal text without bulleted list. So that's how you make use of the list in Figma. So in this video, we'll be also be talking about what is list spacing. So list spacing is probably the spacing between all of your points. So if you want to increase the space between all of your points, what you do is, so currently the list spacing is 0. But if you want to increase the space, just give it some space. Let me give it a 8 pixel space. You see, the points between all of your list increase, not between the list last point and the text. That doesn't this doesn't affect the space between that. This only affect the space between the your list points. So if I do it to 16 here, no matter what kind of list you have chosen, be it a bulleted list or be it numbered list, the list spacing works the same. So you see, now there is a 16 pixel gap between all of these points. So that's how you do that. So thank you guys. I hope you understood, and I'm pretty sure you understood. And that's why I want you to like, share, and subscribe, and comment as well. And if you have any specific suggestion, or if you want any specific video from me that you have not been able to understand anywhere else, just let me know, and I will make one for you. Right? That's a promise. And thank you guys. Bye. Love you.